Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can change your name on your Wise account. So the first thing that you have to do is go ahead and open your browser and then go to thewise.com. So in there, you will see the Help Center and then just go to the Managing Your Account. So once you're here, you will see here the message of I need to edit my personal details, and once you scroll down you will see the name section right here, and here is a respond. So you can change your name by yourself, but the Wise can update it for you in certain circumstances. So to be able to do that, just get in touch and send them the photo or scan of your legal document showing your name change, like your marriage certificate or deed poll, and also your ID if the name hasn't been verified yet. So to add a preferred name, you have to enter it in the preferred name field, and then just follow the steps under the how do I edit my details section below. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!